take refuge to Allah from the shaitan the repelled. In the name of Allah, the most beneficent, the most merciful. Assalamu alaikum, dear viewers. Today I am going to deliver you a lecture online on computer science subject of first year class science journal group. I am Mohsen Ahmed Khan Ghori and I am serving as a lecturer of computer science, and I do teach computer sciences, information technology, information and communication technology to first year, second year intermediate, BA and BCom students, and to anybody who is interested in getting knowledge from myself. These are the contents of today's presentation. I will give you the introduction of the first year course which is being taught in our colleges as per instructions of Board of Intermediate Education. Then I will show you and discuss you the syllabus of theory. Then I will discuss the syllabus of practical. After that you will be shown the marks distribution of entire computer examination. Then after I will tell you the marks distribution of theory paper. After that I will tell you the marks distribution of practical paper, and in the end I will conclude all the above topics. Now let me tell you that the course of first year intermediate, that is the 11th class or intermediate part 1, is designed by keeping the view of ongoing demands of the country. So this all course is all about it. It gives us an overview of computer science and information technology. It gives us the concept of basic operations of computer. It provides general information that how computers are used in various fields of life. And also this course gives practical approach towards the internet, the basic operations of computer, and how the computerized world is working, and how this entire world is getting benefit of computerized world. So this course gives us practical approach regarding computerized office work. So this is the syllabus of first year computer science journal group. The 10% of the syllabus is about the introduction to information technology. 10% is about information networks. 10% is about data communication, and 10% is the applications and use of computers. Hardware and system software, they are also a part of the syllabus, and it covers 25% of the entire syllabus. Similarly, security, copyright and the law covers the 10% of syllabus. So this is all about the theory syllabus. After that we have practical syllabus, and practical syllabus is comprised of the operating system, word processing, spreadsheet, internet browsing and email. So operating system is the 5% of entire syllabus. Word processing is the 8% of entire syllabus, and spreadsheet is also 7% of the entire syllabus. Internet browsing and email is 5% of entire syllabus. So actually this 5% is representing 5, 8, 7 and 5. If you will add these, it will make 25%. So in this way we can see that the entire computer examination will be of 100 marks. Theory will comprised of 25 marks, and if you want to pass that theory paper, you must have to secure 25 marks. Similarly, the weightage of practical in computer examination is 25%, and also 25 marks, because the paper have total 100 marks. That's why the percentage and the marks are equal, both are 25. So if you want to qualify in practical exams, you must have to secure at least 9 marks. So that is the percentage of theory and practical. 75% belongs to theory and 25% belongs to practical. After that, there is a detailed description of marks distribution. Let me elaborate it one by one. First, I am going to elaborate the theory paper. Theory paper will comprise of 3 sections. The section A, it will comprise of multiple choice questions. In short form, we can call them MCQs. Section A will comprise of 15 MCQs. Each MCQ will be of 1 mark, and the total of that section A will be of 15 marks. There is no choice. There will be no choice in section A. So you must have to attempt each and every MCQ of the paper of section A. Section B, it is also called short question and answer section. In this section, there will be only one main question, which is called question 2, and there are 18 subparts of that question 2. That question 2 parts are of 3 marks each. So you have to attempt 12 out of 18 parts of question 2. So 12 multiply 3, it makes 36. So section B will be of 36 marks, and you have to attempt 12 out of 18 questions in this section. So you have choice over there. So you are advised and you are recommended to attempt the most easiest question first. After that, we have section C. It is also called the detailed question and answer section. In this section, there will be 3 main questions, and out of which you are supposed to attempt any 2. Each question in this section is of 12 marks, and each question is subdivided into 3 more sections: the section A, the section B, and the section C. In this way, we can say that the sub part of any main question is of 4 marks. So this is all about the theory paper. MCQs is of 15 marks, which is called section A. Section B is of 36 marks, and you have to attempt 12 out of 18 sections over there. Choices available there. Section C is also called detailed question and answer section, and you are supposed to attempt 2 questions out of 3 in this section. So it is of 24 marks. So this entire theory paper is of total 75 marks. Now, practical paper. Practical paper carries total 25 marks. 5 marks is of your file, which you maintain throughout the academic year. So if you will successfully complete your computer file and make it certified with your teacher or instructor of the concerned subject, then definitely you will be given 5 marks. Viva, the external examiner visit the college at the time of board examination and he or she conduct Viva. If you will satisfy him or her with your answers, then definitely you will get 5 marks out of 5 in the Viva. Class performance throughout the academic session. How was your performance? These 3 marks are of your performance in the college throughout the academic session. Now the real practical work of MS Word, in which you are supposed to write the procedure and display the output. So 3 marks is of your procedure and 3 marks is of your output. Similarly, whenever we talk about Excel, same is the procedure, same is the marking for MS Excel. There is 3 marks for procedure and similarly 3 marks for output. So 5 plus 5 makes 10 plus 3 equals to 13 plus 6 is equals to 19 plus 6 is equals to 25. So in this way the total of your practical completes. Now in the end, what we have learned from this presentation, let me conclude it. You know what is the course of computer science intermediate part 1 is all about. You know the examination of computer science will be of 100 marks. You know it is divided into theory and practical. You also know the weightage of theory paper is 75%. You also know the weightage of practical paper, which is 25%. You know the theory paper will comprised of 3 sections, A, B and C. A will be comprised of MCQs, B will be comprised of short question and answer, and C section will comprised of detailed question and answer. And you also know the practical paper will be marked after assessment of your file, Viva question, class performance and procedures of Word and Excel. So this is all about your lecture 1 regarding first year computer course. Take very good care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.